No problem. My name is Martin Zapletal. I'm a Director of Engineering at Cake Solutions, a BAMTech media company. We're building large-scale, extremely reliable and scalable and elastic solutions. So we're running into a lot of problems associated with building these type of systems, from the reliability, from resilience, the cost of infrastructure at that scale, to observability of the system in production, to make sure that everything works as it's supposed to. There's a variety of issues with building systems of this quite extreme scale. Some of them include the resiliency and reliability of the system. So we need to be able to handle things like even catastrophic data center failures, but node failures and things like that are extremely common. So we have to be able to handle those. Another problem, a common one I think, is observability of the system. We need to make sure that we understand what the system is doing from both technical and business point of view, to make sure that we can notice and fix any potential issues that happen in production. Some of the problems that the industry needs to solve around scaling is, again, resiliency and being able to build global scale systems that can handle failures, and also performance, so be able to be performant at that extreme scale while being cost efficient. So cost efficiency is another problem that the industry has to solve, because building these extremely large scale systems becomes expensive. The problems are amplified by the scale of the problem. So solving that, solving the cost efficiency, I think, is another really important feature that we'll have to handle, or we're already handling and will be handling more in the future. We use functional programming heavily, and I see benefits at multiple levels. One is the lower level, so referential transparency, equational reasoning, type safety, as well as interest of engineers, but also at the system level. So because functional programming provides correctness and safety, which is really useful because it handles a part of the problems. It solves part of the problems that we have to solve when building large-scale systems, so that we don't have to worry about that particular area, and we can focus on the other things that matter, because it solves these problems at compile time, so we don't run into them during runtime. I really like that the conference brings together people from multiple areas that are sort of connected. So functional programming, machine learning, and data science, and reactive, because they work really closely together, although they may not be realizing it immediately. So I like, and the other thing I like is there are many interesting talks and conversations about new technologies and new niche markets and new upcoming solutions and the future, which is really, really interesting.